Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to analyze documents, summarize PDFs, or extract key information quickly using Perplexity AI can make the process fast and effortless. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to upload a PDF in Perplexity AI and use it effectively. Okay, so first thing first, open Perplexity AI. Okay, so type perplexity.ai or open the mobile app. Start a new query. Okay. Be ready to upload, so look for the upload option in the chat box, find attach or upload. Okay, so we have here this. Okay, so upload file or image. Okay, click it, choose your PDF file. Okay, file, so select the file and then tap open or save. After that, select the file from your device, wait for it to upload. The PDF will appear in your query. Okay, so the document is ready now. Ask questions about the PDF. So for example, summarize this PDF. For example, what are the key points? Explain page 3. Be specific. Okay, so better questions, better answers. Okay, so request details insights. So ask, give me a summary by section. What is the main argument? List important data, for example. Okay, so get deeper analysis. Okay, go beyond basic summary. You can also highlight specific parts. For example, you can ask, explain this paragraph. What does this section mean? Okay, because reference pages, because precision matters. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.